So you have a post created on your WordPress dashboard, and now you want to add the post inside of your WordPress website menu. Here's how to do it. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and make sure you have created the post. And now just hover over on appearance and click on menus. And now select a menu to edit. Click on this drop down and select the menu in which menu you want to add your post. And just click on select. And then you will directly jump into the specific menu editing page. Here, click on screen options and make sure to check post. And now in this add menu item section, here you will find this post tab. Just click on this post tab and here you will find all of your created post. Now all you have to need, select the specific post that you want to add to your menu. Once you select it, click on add to menu. And as you can see, the specific post successfully added to my menu. Now just click on the post, and here if you want you can change navigation level from here. And then if you want you can also click and drag to change the post position, and then just click on save menu. And then I'm going to my website and just reloading my site, and as you can see the post successfully added in my website menu. Now I can easily view the specific post by clicking on my menu here. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.